Imagine this, a man who's almost 80 years old, yet looks like he's barely in his 30s. His muscles are rock hard. His skin is tight and glowing. His energy levels? Through the roof. Sounds impossible? Like some kind of Hollywood CGI trick? Well, this is real life, and that man is Sylvester Stallone. At 78 years old, Stallone looks like he's discovered the fountain of youth. But it's not magic or genetics alone. The truth is far more fascinating, and the secret lies in what he eats every single day. Most people think aging means giving up on feeling vibrant and strong, but Stallone is here to prove that age is just a number. And here's the kicker. At the very end of this video, we're going to reveal a shocking discovery about Stallone's anti-aging strategy that will blow your mind and completely change how you view growing older. So if you want to know how Stallone stays ripped, healthy and youthful, keep watching. You won't believe the power behind these 5 foods that keep him defying age like a true legend. Why Sylvester Stallone's health is truly legendary. Before we get into the foods, let's set the stage. Stallone's story is one of sheer grit and transformation. From struggling actor to global action icon, his physical transformation has been one of Hollywood's most dramatic stories. But here's the catch. Stallone didn't always eat or train smart. Back in his early days, his diet was extreme. Too high protein, too low energy. And it actually pushed his body to dangerous levels, dropping his body fat to less than 3%. That's too lean, bordering on unhealthy. Over time, he learned to respect his body, shift his focus to longevity, and fuel it the right way. He didn't just want to look strong, he wanted to feel strong. And that means eating foods that fight inflammation, repair muscles, protect skin, and maintain energy. Number 1. Egg whites, the classic protein, now supercharged. Stallone has been eating egg whites for decades, and for good reason. Egg whites contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle and recover after intense workouts. But here's the new twist Stallone's added recently. He mixes his eggs with turmeric and black pepper. Why? Because turmeric contains curcumin, which is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories in the world. And black pepper helps your body absorb it up to 2,000% better. This combo is crucial to fight the chronic inflammation that comes with aging, especially for someone who's been putting his body through heavy training for decades. Every morning, Stallone eats 3 egg whites with half a yolk. The yolk provides essential fats and vitamins, mixed with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. This simple yet potent breakfast kickstarts his day with muscle-repairing protein and inflammation-fighting antioxidants, the perfect 1-2 punch for aging gracefully. Number 2. Papaya and figs, nature's anti-aging powerhouses. Stallone loves fresh fruit, especially papaya and figs. Papaya is packed with vitamin C and A, vital for immune function and skin health. It also contains papain, an enzyme that aids digestion by breaking down protein. This is important because a healthy gut is key to overall health, especially as we age. Poor digestion can lead to nutrient deficiencies, sluggishness, and even brain fog. Figs provide a natural source of dietary fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable, both essential for managing weight and energy levels. Plus, figs are loaded with antioxidants, calcium and potassium, that help muscle and bone health. Recently, Stallone has also added kiwi to his morning fruit lineup. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse that supports collagen production, which keeps skin elastic and joints strong. By combining these fruits in his breakfast, Stallone is not just satisfying his sweet tooth, he's actively supporting his immune system, digestion and skin, 3 pillars of anti-aging. Number 3. Lean meats with a twist, adding plant protein for balance. Stallone's diet traditionally includes lean protein like chicken and fish, staples for muscle maintenance and repair. But what's new is that Stallone is increasingly adding plant-based proteins such as lentils, chickpeas and quinoa on some days. Why the change? Animal proteins, while essential, can increase inflammation when eaten in excess. Plant proteins, on the other hand, offer antioxidants and fiber, which reduce oxidative stress and support heart health. By cycling plant-based meals into his weekly routine, Stallone balances his protein intake with anti-inflammatory foods, optimizing his body's ability to recover and stay youthful. Number 4. Roasted butternut squash and quinoa Fiber meats. Complete protein. Butternut squash is a favourite high-fibre vegetable of Stallone's, and for good reason. Fibre is critical for digestion and blood sugar regulation, helping to control hunger and energy crashes, both key for maintaining lean muscle and healthy weight as you age. Stallone pairs roasted squash with quinoa, a complete plant protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, plus fibre and minerals. This combo creates a nutrient-dense, balanced meal that supports muscle and cellular health without taxing the digestive system. It's the perfect fuel for sustained energy and muscle recovery. Number 5. Liquid aminos, the flavourful health hack. Liquid aminos are Stallone's go-to flavour enhancer. Unlike traditional soy sauce, which is high in sodium and preservatives, liquid aminos are a natural, gluten-free, low-sodium seasoning rich in essential amino acids. Stallone uses them in his meals and smoothies to add taste and extra muscle-repairing nutrients. This small change helps Stallone maintain flavour without compromising his health. Another smart move that contributes to his longevity. Supplements Stallone swears by. No anti-aging diet is complete without supplements, especially for a man pushing his body like Stallone. At nearly 80, his body doesn't recover like it did at 30, so smart supplementation bridges that gap, giving him the edge to train harder, recover faster, and stay sharp. Let's break down what Stallone uses to stay decades ahead of his time. Whey protein. Stallone opts for high-quality grass-fed whey protein, not just for muscle building, but for its broad health benefits. Grass-fed whey is rich in bioavailable protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and conjugated linoleic acid CLA, which helps burn fat and fight inflammation. Post-workout, it delivers the amino acids his muscles need for repair and recovery, especially after intense resistance training. It also contains immunoglobulins that support immune health, something Stallone prioritizes heavily in his routine. BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids. To maintain his muscle mass and minimize soreness, Stallone takes BCAAs, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids are metabolized directly in the muscle tissue, helping reduce muscle breakdown during exercise and accelerate recovery afterward. BCAAs are especially useful during fasted workouts, which Stallone occasionally does, as they help preserve lean tissue while keeping him energized. NAD plus precursors. One of the most cutting-edge additions to Stallone's supplement stack is NAD plus precursors like NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NR, nicotinamide riboside. As we age, NAD+, essential for mitochondrial function and DNA repair, plummets. Boosting NAD+, helps revitalize cellular energy, enhances metabolic performance, and supports cognitive sharpness. For someone like Stallone, who's focused not just on muscles, but long-term brain and body health, this is a game changer. These supplements aren't fads. They're strategic tools in Stallone's lifelong commitment to staying fit, functional, and full of vitality. Stallone's evolved workout philosophy. Stallone's workout isn't just about brute strength anymore, it's about longevity and smart training. His routine is split between mornings focused on strength and mobility, and afternoons focused on coordination and boxing drills. He incorporates modern recovery methods like infrared saunas and cold plunges to reduce inflammation and speed healing. His motto, train smarter, not just harder. You might be wondering, with all this great food and smart training, what's the one secret that really sets Stallone apart? What if I told you it's not just what he eats or how he trains, but when he eats? Intermittent fasting and autophagy, the real game changer. Stallone practices intermittent fasting, usually a 16 to 8 window. 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. Why? Because fasting triggers autophagy, the body's natural cell cleaning process. It clears out damaged cells and regenerates new ones, fighting aging at its root. He also supplements with green tea extract and berberine to enhance this effect. These compounds support blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and promote longevity. By combining intermittent fasting with these supplements, Stallone activates powerful anti-aging processes that most people overlook. The shocking truth revealed. Here's the part that will blow your mind. Stallone doesn't just rely on hard work and discipline. He's tapped into scientific advances in aging research, using both traditional nutrition and cutting-edge longevity hacks. This blend of ancient wisdom, like turmeric and fruit, and modern biohacking, intermittent fasting and NAD plus boosters, is why he looks and feels decades younger than his age. He's not defying age by chance. He's hacking it on purpose. Final thoughts. Can you live like Stallone? If Sylvester Stallone can stay ripped and youthful at 78, what's stopping you? Start with these 5 foods. Add in smart supplements and consider experimenting with intermittent fasting. Remember, aging isn't about giving up. It's about making smarter choices every day. Which of these foods or habits are you most excited to try? Comment below. Subscribe for more insider secrets on staying young, fit and energized. Next week, we're diving into Tom Cruise's fitness secrets. Age is no barrier when you fight smart. Next week, we're diving into Tom Cruise's fitness secrets. Age is no barrier when you fight smart.